All right, hello again. It's Brandon. We are gonna do some maintenance. I sold my 4Runner and got a Tundra. It's 2008, 85,000 miles. And what I'm going to be doing is changing the front and rear diff and the transfer case fluids. Everything you need is pictured here. I've got a 24 millimeter for the fill plugs. I've got a 10 millimeter hex for the drain plugs. I've got my torque wrench for closing everything up. I have new crush washers for everything. There's 6 there, 2 per front diff, rear diff, and transfer case, 6 altogether. I've got a wire brush for the filler plugs. You want to scratch around that area and kind of make sure there's no dust and debris that's just like sitting right there, so that when you open the bolt or the drain plug, the filler plug, a bunch of dirt is not just falling right into there. Don't forget your beer. This is an easy job, so it shouldn't be frustrating or shouldn't have any stuck bolts or any weirdness at all. So I'm thinking 1 beer should do the trick. Step 1. Okay, so this is a filler plug. This one's pretty clean, so don't need to do much here, but just give it a rub and a scrape in case there is any dirt around, so when you open that, dirt doesn't fall inside of there. You don't want dirt in here at all. So just repeat that process on the filler caps of all 3. So front diff over there, transfer case filler plug, as well as the rear diff filler plug. Just give it a good clean. Okay, so we are looking at the transfer case here. It doesn't look like yours. That's because we already took off the skid plate. It's a little skid plate with 12 millimeter bolts, if you remember. Again, same thing with this. You've got the drain and fill, but don't touch the drain until you 100% know that you can get the fill off. Nice. Okay, easy peasy. So we know that we indeed can get the fill plug off. So let's go for it. Oh, God. I'm right at the business end of this, so I'm hoping it's not too strong of a spray. I'll back up a little bit. Here we go, here we go. Cool, that doesn't look terrible either. This is why I do all my own maintenance. You know, I'm kind of a weirdo. I don't trust anyone to touch my car. This is the old crush washer. It is so smashed onto there that it was like forming to the threads and everything. It's very soft metal, obviously. They don't want it to be equally as hard as the rest of the bolt itself. But I'm going to put this in here and just pry this up with a screwdriver, and that's what you get from over torquing. Do not over torque. Torque to spec always. Yep, so this is just to give you an idea how insanely messed up these crush washers are. God, dude, over torqued, and they were not replaced the last time this was done. This is just negligent. These are $2 to $4 pieces. There's no excuse for not getting those. Do not start this job until you have these in place. There's 6, 2 for the front, 2 for the rear, 2 for the T-case. Pop, pop, pop. Let's get them back in. 27 foot-pounds, 37 newton meters, 75 weight 90, 1.1. Bah! There it is. All right. Beautiful. Again, please hit the like, subscribe, thumbs up. Let me know if I messed anything up Let me know if I could do something better or maybe even just smarter and cleaner. If you've got a 5.7 4x4 Tundra, post in the comments. I want to see it. I'm ready to build this rig up. I've had it for about a week, and we get shocks, tires, probably a new fuel tank. This thing is 26 gallons. It's terrible. All right, same thing here. It's just about done dripping. Got the new crush washer. Start it by hand. Should be very, very easy and smooth. And again, what is it? 27 foot-pounds. Shit. Okay, there it is. Please like, subscribe, check out my other videos, support, ask questions, comment, whatever you need in the bottom. Appreciate you. Catch you on the block.